Hello students. Today we are going to study a numeration system. We have studied about Hindu-Arabic numeration system. We have studied about international system of numeration. Here we are going to study about decimal numeration system. Now when we talk about decimal system, here decimal, the word means a tenth part. So the word itself means part, and when we are making parts of the number 1. Now we make parts 10 parts or 100 parts or 1000 parts like this. So a decimal number consists of a whole number and decimal part. Whole part and decimal part. So if we write a number 4.37, this is the whole number part and this is the decimal part, and this point is the decimal point. So here we have 4.37. How we are reading it? 4.37, or we can also read it in a different way that we will see when we see the decimal chart, decimal numeration system chart. We have seen that chart for Indo-Arabic and international system. Same way there is a chart for this, the table, that we will see, and after that we will see how that way we read it. So here we need to understand about this, a decimal number or decimal, only if we call decimal it's okay. We have a whole number part, a decimal part, which is separated by the decimal point. And now when we are talking about decimal part, we are talking about the parts made of a whole. So we can say that a thing is of rupees 27.30. So the rupees 30 is divided in 100 parts. From that 30 is taken, that is 30 paisa. We know that. Same way we can have 7.5 kg. So 7 kg and 1 kg is divided in parts, 1000 parts. From that 500 is taken. 7.5 kg is 7 kgs and 500 grams. So we can write it only 5. Therefore 7.500 kg. I just wrote 5. That is also okay. So what here important thing is, we are dividing that 1 kg in 1000 part and 500 is taken here. Here 1 rupee was divided in 100 and 30 is taken here. Like that we divide, and therefore we are getting this decimal. Here this is the whole part, this is the decimal part, and this is separated by the decimal point. Let's see the place value chart for decimal. Now we have seen that the whole number part has ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So if we have the number 324, 324, and we are writing it here in the place value chart, 4 is in the ones place, 2 is in the tens place, and 3 is in the hundreds place. So that is the whole number, and we have just seen that the decimal has a whole number and the decimal part. So if I write the decimal here, now after the decimal, this column is decimal point. Okay, so this is the decimal. The number after the decimal on the right we have is 0, or we'll take it here as 8. 8 comes in the 10th place. See here, 10th. This is tens, this is 10th. Ones is this, there is no ones here, there is, the first one is 10th, and that is, if we write it here, this is 8, this is 7, that is 100th, and then we have the 1000th, which is 3. So we write it 3s in the hundreds place, tens place, 2, 1 place, 4. Then we have the decimal point. Then 8 is in the 10th place, 7 is in the 100th place, and 1000th place we have 3. Now, why does 10th, 100th, and 1000th is this part? This is 1 upon 10. 10 parts are made. Here this is 1 upon 100, and this is 1 upon 1000. And therefore, we are writing it like this: 10th place, 100th place, and 1000th place. So that's all we write here: 10th, 100th, 1000th, and so on. It will go on, and we can write the 10,000th, lakh, 10 lakh, like that. Now taking it further from here, this decimal number, if we write it in the expanded form, (324), 300 plus 20 plus 4. Then we have the decimal, and then 8 is in the 10th place, so it is 8 upon 10, plus 7 is in the 100th place, so 7 upon 100. 3 is in the 1000th place, so 3 upon 1000. We can also write this decimal part as 8 upon 10 is 0.8. If you write it like this, it is okay. If you directly write like this, that will be okay. How we can write it like this? Direct 8. After the decimal, direct 8 is there. Then plus. After the decimal, 8 is there. Leave this thing 0. Then we have 7. So instead of 8, we write 0.08. And this will be 0.1, 2 digits are there. Then 3 is there. So 2 zeros will come, and then 3. This thing you can write it directly from here also, or if you are writing like this and then writing this, that will be okay. So from here, how you write? 8 upon 10, so 0.8. There will be no zeros between decimal and the digit 8. But here 2 zeros are there in the denominator, so it will be 0.7. Sorry. And then 1000 is there in the denominator, so there will be 2 zeros and then the number. So that's how we write it in the expanded form. Next thing here we have, when we are talking about decimal numbers have one property, only one property, and it is very important property. If we have a decimal number 83.47. Now the property is that we can write zeros at the right end of the decimal part. Decimal का जो end है right side में हम लोग zeros add कर सकते हैं, infinite zeros add कर सकते हैं. That is the property. Now this property, why it is needed and why we need to understand this thing is, there are like and unlike decimals. So if you have a decimal number 32.78 and 32.078, and we have to compare them, or there are decimals like this and we have to add them or subtract them, the best way is, or the required way is, we make these decimals like decimals. Now these decimals are unlike decimals. Why? Because the decimal part is having different number of digits. Here the decimal part is having 3 digits. Here the decimal number is having only 2 digits. The number of digits in the decimal part should be same for the decimal numbers to be like. So these are unlike decimals. We can convert them into like decimals by adding zeros, that is using this property. If we add 0 here, we can't add the 0 on the left part of the decimal. We are adding on the right part of the decimal number. Decimal part के जो right में है, end पे, वहां हम 0 लगा सकते हैं, left में नहीं लगा सकते. So therefore we have added 0 here. Now 3 digits in both. यहाँ पे भी 3 digits है decimal part में, यहाँ पे भी 3 है. So these have now become like decimals. Now if you want to compare them, we can compare them starting from whole number 32. Both are 32. Then first digit here is 7, here is 0. So this number is greater. That's how we compare. Addition अगर करना है, ये अगर ऐसा दिया हुआ है एडिशन करना है, so 32.78. now whole number 32, उसके नीचे आएगा न्यू वंस के, हम हाउ वी अरेंज देम, वंस के नीचे वंस, टेंस के नीचे टेंस, टेंथ के नीचे आएगा टेंथ, हंड्रेड के नीचे आएगा हंड्रेड, एंड थाउजेंड आएगा यहाँ पे, तो यहाँ पे थाउजेंड प्लेस है एक्चुअली 0. कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है, someone would write 32.078 and 32.78. अगर ऐसे लिख दिया तो ये हो जाएगा wrong. So therefore like decimals हमने अगर बना लिए और फिर उसको लिखा तो it will be very easy and the correct way. So then we add, it will be easy for us. So that's why we make the unlike decimals to like for comparison, for addition, for subtraction and these things.